Are you missing important calls because your iPhone isn't ringing? Frustrating, right? Well, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'm gonna show you some easy solutions to fix the iPhone not ringing issue. So without wasting any time, let's jump right into the solutions. Solution 1, check the ringtone volume. To do this, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Next, scroll down a little and tap on Sounds and Haptics. From here, drag the volume bar all the way to the right to set the volume to high. Now check if the issue is fixed. Solution 2, turn off airplane mode and DND. For this one, swipe down from the right side on the screen to bring the control center. From here, turn off airplane mode if it's on. Also, tap on focus to turn off DNS. Now check if your phone rings. Solution 3, turn off call forwarding. To do this, open up the Settings app again, then scroll down a little and tap on Apps. Next, scroll down a bit and tap on Phone. Now find the call forwarding option and tap on it. From here, just toggle off call forwarding and check if the issue is gone. Solution 4, reset your iPhone settings. Open up the Settings app once more, then scroll down and tap on General. Next, find Transfer or Reset iPhone and tap on it. Now select Reset All Settings. Confirm by tapping Reset All Settings again. Your settings will now be reset, and the issue should be fixed. So guys, that's how you fix the iPhone doesn't ring for incoming call issue. If the video helped you solve the issue, smash that like button. Got any questions? Feel free to drop them in the comments below and I'll get back to you real soon. As always, thanks for watching.